Hi, my name is Adrienne and I'm the Warehouse and Transport Manager for BCHS in Bournemouth. I started with BCHS just over 3 years ago. As a warehouse manager, I'm responsible for everything that happens operationally in branch. I oversee the picking and packing process of customer orders. I deal with all matters health and safety. I route the customer deliveries onto our vehicles and I manage the servicing and maintenance of our fleet.
Hi, I'm Ryan and I'm the Warehouse and Transport Manager at BCHS Nottingham. I have been with the business for coming up to 4 months now. A typical day in BCHS Nottingham as Warehouse and Transport Manager would be planning all the routing for the drivers for delivery to customers, and I am in charge of all the health and safety on site. I have a team of warehouse operatives that do all the picking, and I am currently being enrolled on several training courses, one being Six Sigma, which is all to help the process and the efficiency of the branch,